Hi, Artie. This is our engineer Felix. And now he will show you how to install the motors with the roller pipe and the expansion pipe. Please use the screws to connect the motors and the expansion pipe.
Okay,
And this one is the roller pipe. Connect the roller pipe in the same method. Use the screws to connect. Then it can roll up and down. And please use the clamp to fix the film into the roller pipe. Okay. And each side of the greenhouse has 2 knock channels. This is the first knock channel. This is the first knock channel. You need to fix the top clear film and insectinate together. And the second one to fix the breakout dress film and insectinate together. And the second knock channel above the ground. The height of the knock channel above the ground is 35 centimeters. And the other film use the ground and this is anchor. Please use the film band to connect with the anchor to fix the complete greenhouse.